Yeah, hello my people. It's actually a freelance guy once again, and this is going to be a series 1 of Upwork. And in the series 1, I'm going to be talking about people that are just starting as a newbie on Upwork and how are they going to open their Upwork accounts, what are the things that they actually need, what are the platforms that they actually need to register on, and how do they verify their Upwork accounts and all of that. So these are the things that I'm going to be speaking on the series 1, which is an introduction to Upwork accounts, like Upwork platform. Okay, now the first thing that they actually need to place in plan, make sure that you have not registered Upwork before. If you have registered Upwork before, if you are opening another Upwork, they are going to block you. Okay, so and ensure that you have not registered Upwork before. If you have registered Upwork before, you can check your mail that you have used, or you get that back, because if you want to register another one, they will not accept it, right? So ensure that you have not registered Upwork before. Then you need to get the email. You need to get either basically I will recommend Gmail. You need to get your Gmail intact, and then your phone number intact. Okay, now after you've gotten all of these things, then the next thing is you need to open a platform which is called a payment gateway platform, which is either gray, or you open Freelance, which is before they call it GPay, and also Clever. You can also open Clever, either of the three: Gray, Freelance, or Clever. So whatever the one that you opened, then I'll preferably open Gray. So that Gray, while you are opening it, you have to place this thing in plan. You must have your ID verification, which is either NIN plastic or international passport or driver license. So whichever the verification method that you have, either international passport, driver license, or NIN plastic. So that's one. So you need to set up a gray account. A gray account is just like an account that you can use to receive $1 from internationally, like UK, US, Canada, and the likes like that. Or you can also use it to receive your money from freelancing platform like Upwork, Fiverr, and all of that. So, but basically, you need to set up that account. The reason why you are setting up the gray account is because you are going to get a card on the gray account. That gray, immediately you open that your Upwork account, you will need to connect your card. You need to connect your card to that Upwork account in order to buy the connect. Buying the connect means that you want to verify your account. Okay, because by the time you will set up your account, I'm going to be showing you everything that you needed to know on people that are just getting started on Upwork. So just to connect your Upwork account, and then in order to use that card to prompt the verification on the Upwork. Immediately you open the Upwork, you will not get the blue tick, because the most important thing that you needed to get is blue tick. You need to get the blue tick. You need to get the you need to get your account verified, and you need to set it up professionally. Now, so the reason you are getting that gray is because for you to get the card on the gray, in order to connect to your Upwork account, then you need to fund that your gray account. Everything is going to be explained to you, but I'm just telling you that the platform that you need to set up. Then after you set up the gray, then you set up your Upwork account as well. Once you set up your Upwork account, everything is ready. Then the next thing will now be on the practical. So I'm just telling you the real deal of the introduction to Upwork. So find that video helpful. If you don't find the video helpful, you can just comment, like, shares, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm just getting started to unveil the Upwork crack pack. Trust me, if you follow this, if you are following me, this tutorial, you are following this series, I'm very, very sure you will get your first order 100%. Just follow this thing, subscribe, and likes, shares, comments, and make this video go viral, so that you can share to your friends and families and all of that, so that all of them can get the benefits on these things. And basically, if you want to find me out, maybe you want to reach out to me, you can reach out to me on my TikTok, the freelance guy, on Instagram, on Telegram, and I am all the social media, Facebook, and all of that. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.